guys, so if you're new here, my name is Bianca. If you're just dropping by, you should totally subscribe and stick around and join this awesome fam that we have going on here. But it's Wednesday. Woke up, did our morning routine. We're getting ready to leave to go to the gym to lift back. I do have Orange Theory today at 9:30. A lot of people have been asking about Orange Theory, so I still go to the same studio that I usually go to, and I always go to the 9:30 class 4 times a week, and then on Saturdays I sometimes go to like the 10 or like the 9. It just depends. But on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I always go to Orange Theory. So if you're ever in the Charlotte area and want to come and work out with me, I'm there at that time, all ready to go. I'm obsessed. I literally got this at Target. I've been wearing it every single day since I got it. This is my home body sweatshirt. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit today for the gym, and then we're going to head out. Okay, I just tried to turn on the light. I don't know if that even helps, but I'm wearing my Sarah's Days leggings. These just put me in the best mood. I don't know, I love wearing these all the time, and they're so comfy. And then I'm wearing this Lululemon energy bra. Usually I wear the long line energy bras of these, but I just ordered the regular one of this one because I really liked this like nude color. So yeah, I'm just wearing sports bra, leggings. I always keep my heart rate monitor in my car, so that's in there. And yeah, we're ready to go. All right, I just pulled up to Orange Theory. I have no idea if my mom's coming today or not, but I have like my tracking info on my mom, so I might track her really quick. But I kind of hope she is. She usually comes today, but now that we don't live together anymore, I just like never know when she's going. So I could text her and ask her, but honestly, she's like really bad about her phone and like never answers me. So yeah, and I always call her all the time, and she does like the sorry I can't talk right now thing and deletes, like sends me to voicemail. So I just kind of give up and hope for the best. But I'm going into Orange Theory, and hopefully it's not a strength day because I'm not in the mood for that, but I'll let you know. Okay, I'm gonna complain for 1 second and then it's totally gonna come full circle. Hear me out. That workout was all hills. It was straight hills the whole time, upping the incline the whole time. It was hills. I totally jinxed myself. I'm never gonna say anything like that again. And then because it was hills, I was just trying to go so hard, you know, because I was like, screw this. If it's hills, I'm just gonna own those hills. And then I just went way too all out. By the time I got to the weight room portion, I was just beat. The full circle part is, now I'm very happy because that golden retriever that I'm obsessed with is literally like right there, but I can't say hi because that's awkward. I mean, I could, but like I'd just be disrupting them. But like, I love that golden. I'm so happy. I knew we picked the right apartment. Okay, also, I literally started listening to the What We Said podcast with Teza and her husband Cole yesterday, and it was kind of long and I was just had things to do and I just now finished it, and that podcast is literally amazing. I'm about to go upstairs and have Colin, I'm just like gonna re-listen to it because I feel like Colin and I are phasing into that thing where like we work together and stuff like that, and I feel like it's a learning process, but kind of hearing what they had to say about it and like their creative like things that they do and stuff like that are things that I want to start implementing into our relationship. And we've kind of talked that we wanted to do it, we just haven't like put our words into action yet, which I'm all about that. So I'm just really excited. Back from the gym, I just took a shower, but I'm doing a face mask because skin issues, you know, and a hair mask. The mask I'm doing is from Sephora, and yeah, it's a deep conditioning mask. I really like this one. And then face mask I'm doing is from BioClarity. This one's hydrating and it has coconut, bergamot, and sandalwood. So yeah, TBH, don't know what any of that stuff is, but I really like it. You actually peel this one off, but I choose not to, so when I wash out my hair mask, I just wash off my face mask. Peel off masks hurt, or at least this one does. I've done a hair mask. I did some light makeup to get ready, but Colin asked me earlier today, he was like, what do you have to do? And I was like, I don't know, I don't think I have that much to do. And then I like kind of started like thinking about it, and I actually have so much to do. So I took a minute to get ready though. I like really just self-cared it up today. It was great. But now I really need to work on editing that vlog. But I keep on talking about like merch and stuff, you know, so I'm gonna kind of like do some research, see if we could like make something happen. I don't know. We decided that one day a week we're gonna start doing like a content day, so that's gonna be tomorrow, which is the main reason why I ended up doing this hair mask and stuff, was to get my hair ready for tomorrow so I can get ready quicker. But I just kind of like need to prep and stuff for that. Also, we still need a headboard, a nightstand. We decided that we might be doing like some shoe rack type situation in the front. Are you still down with that?
Yeah.
So maybe like tonight or something, like later, kind of look for that with him so we can figure that out. And then I also just need to finish cleaning my room. So that's pretty much my to-do list for right now. But yeah, I've got some things working, some work ideas flowing. Wanted to tell you guys about this. So this is in our like laundry area, but I got an over-the-door shoe rack, and this is actually from my mom's apartment. We used to have like our bathroom products in here, but instead I just put all of our cleaning products and then stacked it, since we have literally no room in this like area for all of our cleaning supplies, and it just goes on the back of the door and it's perfect. I also have my video for today uploading at the moment. Okay, so today I'm just like the ultimate cleaning machine. It feels really good. I self-cared and I've cleaned. I'm having like a very good day. Despite Colin's clothes, they're totally messing up my vibe. I'm gonna have him pick that up later. But look at how clean. Oh, okay, now we can finally start decorating in here now that it's clean. That was the holdup. But yeah, everything is all good. Perfect. Now we can start going to town, you know. I am going to start online shopping for a headboard and a nightstand. I'm going to show you a few that I'm thinking about, and then you guys tell me which ones you like for in here. The thing is though that we already have one nightstand from when I was in college, so now we need another one. Obviously they're not going to match. I got that one at Target like forever ago, and I've looked on Target so many times they don't have one that matches, but I need one that like complements it well. Quite like a large space and gap, but I really don't know like what to even do with that, so there's that little predicament. And then yeah, I feel like once we get the shiplap wall and a headboard and a nightstand, it's gonna look really good. Oh, and 2 shelves above there, which you guys already know that I said that before. I'm pitching an idea to shirtless Colin. So here's what I'm thinking. That kids bench that I was so excited about, didn't realize it was kids bench. Look at this. I've just showed you this, but I'm showing you again. Look at this big open area. Like, let me just put this into, like, this is a big area. It just looks kind of awkward over here, don't you think? Like, what are we gonna do here? So I think someone might have commented like use the bench as a plant stand, but here's where I'm like getting this from. What if we do it like here, and we could like put like a pillow and like even a blanket of some sort, like a small one, or like a, like, you know what I'm saying? Like
blanket on top of it, and then put the plants on top of
it. Yeah, like some plants. I don't know. I feel like we should move the bench in here really quick. Will you go get it? Boyfriend lifts things for me when I don't feel like it. That's my cheer. For anyone wondering, I did not cheer ever, which is why that probably looked awful. I was a volleyball and softball player. I played for like 11 years volleyball and like even more softball, and I was a catcher and a right side hitter. Okay. Okay. Good job, muscles. I like it.
Which way?
I think we're, oh, well, first of all, I just have to be able to open my door. Boom. Okay, people, let me know your thoughts, people. Okay. I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah, I think
with some
blanket
plants
on it and some stuff, it'd be cool.
Like a blanket like draped on it, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so we don't have to go to IKEA and return it.
No, it looks pretty cool.
High five me.
Yeah, I don't want to go back.
I know, I was just trying not to go back to IKEA. Okay, so I just scheduled 2 videos to go up today. I have my moving vlog, which is like normal, and then I have a sponsored video, which actually got filmed like probably a month ago. But it's just like, you know, things work that way, but it was just like strange because sometimes I don't have sponsored videos and then other times I do, and then they just kind of all pile up at once. Like yesterday I posted a bunch of sponsored content, and then now I have a video going up, and then I don't think I have anything else for a while. So, or for at least the rest of this week. Anyways, just had to get that up. But we're doing that like content shoot, you know, tomorrow. It's not like sponsored content or anything. It's basically just like me wanting to like rack up on some content for my Instagram and things like that. Plus I got like clothes from Princess Polly that I want to shoot and that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna like lay out some outfits right now, I think, and see what I'm feeling. So this is a set that I'm gonna wear This, everything, I always wear jeans, like help. But okay, this for jeans, this shirt tucked into jeans with those shoes would be so cute. And then this with white shorts maybe? I don't know, that's just kind of what I'm thinking right now. I also have 2 minutes of footage left. So I need to like clear out my camera or do something that's gonna help me. Okay, so this is the headboard that I found. Just looks like that. I was kind of thinking on this one for the headboard, and I'm still trying to find a nightstand, but it's just got like circles. I thought it was really cool. I thought it would look really good actually. Okay, also this is from Urban, but I really like this for like the shoe cabinet thing we were talking about. It's just really expensive. So yeah, this is kind of like my inspiration. I'm just gonna try and find a different one. Okay, I also really like this nightstand because of the wicker cabinet. I think that that's really cute, but then I'm just trying to find one that like really matches with the other one that we have. And it's really hard because I feel like the woods just never like match up. I'm on Urban right now, by the way, but I said that really weird, sorry, haha. Okay, yeah, I don't know. All these are not cute though. I don't really like all those anymore. I like the ones at the top. Ah, help. Cooking dinner. HelloFresh meal number 3 of the week.
Oh, yeah.
Shirtless Colin's still a part of the vlog.
Roaming the apartment.
So after dinner, we decided to come to the grocery store to
My boyfriend
restock
Colin
our
just had
food.
a great idea.
Yeah, Colin just had a good video idea, so that's good. But yeah, we decided to come to the grocery store because we don't really have time to go
might
tomorrow.
not be that great.
And we needed food, so we're just doing like a quick little,
where'd you see?
quick restock. Oh, I'm trying to show him potatoes, which he passed. Look, look, hash browns. It's like big bags all over here. Anyways, so we're stopping by just to like stock up because I was out of eggs and like a bunch of stuff that I eat for snack food, and I love snacking. In the bathroom, trying to get that good lighting. But we just got back. It's almost 9 o'clock and I literally feel like I could fall asleep right now. Colin and I are like 90 years old and we go to bed at 9, but we wake up at like 6:30, which we try to. So like our alarm clocks go off at 6:30, but we try to get up ASAP. So anyways, I'm gonna go to bed so we can have a really good and well-rested sleep. And good morning tomorrow. Say good night.
Good night!
Oh my goodness. So we're gonna go to bed. Make sure you are subscribed and you stick around because we have daily vlogs flowing in. And I don't know how long that's gonna last, but I'm gonna try and make it last for as long as I can. Right now I'm doing pretty good, but sometimes life's gonna get in the way and it's not gonna happen. Can I help you? Yeah, I know, I have a zit right there. Yeah, I know, I've got 2 big zits, one over here and one right here. So yes, my face is breaking out. We're really trying everything to fix it. Colin's gonna brush his teeth and we're gonna go to bed. Subscribe, stick around, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.